Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the air filter in your Toyota RAV4. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. First, gather your tools: a new air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Always ensure your RAV4 is parked on a flat surface with the engine off and cool. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, usually a large black box near the engine. Now, let's get to the filter. The air filter housing is typically secured by 4 to 6 metal clips or a few screws. Carefully unclip each one or use your screwdriver to remove the screws. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top half of the housing. You'll then see the old, often dirty, air filter sitting inside its compartment, ready for removal. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to notice how it was positioned. The new one needs to go in the same way. Before installing the new filter, use a clean cloth to wipe out any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the housing. Then, gently place your new, clean air filter into the compartment, making sure it fits snugly and correctly. Finally, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back down, ensuring it aligns properly. Resecure all the clips or screws you loosened earlier, making sure they are tight and the housing is sealed. This simple replacement, recommended every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved performance, better fuel efficiency, and a longer engine life. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.